Want to check your Roblox password on the mobile app? First, open the Roblox app, tap the three-dot more icon at the top right, scroll down and select Settings, then tap Account Info. You'll see your username, email, and other details, but not the actual password itself. If you have your Roblox credentials saved on your device, open your iPhone's Passwords app or Android's Password Manager. Authenticate with Face ID/Touch ID or your device PIN, then search for Roblox. Tap the Roblox entry and authenticate again to reveal your password in plain text, so you can copy or note it securely. Keep in mind that if you never saved your Roblox password to your device, you won't be able to view it. Instead, use the Forgot Password link on the Roblox login screen to reset and set a new one. That's all it takes to check or recover your Roblox password. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite Roblox tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.